Well, hello guys. Yes, it's Helen from Belvoir. And yes, it's a bit windy today, but it's not going to stop me showing you this new house that is coming onto the market. It is a 4-bed detached, not too far from Shrewsbury town centre, and it's got a play park around there. So yes, it's got some space around it, even though it is on an estate, but not a huge one. So this is Spring Gardens, which is 20-minute, half an hour max walk into town, maybe. Not too far to drive. So we have a nice living room, understairs storage, which we like, downstairs loo, which we really like, and we have a nice kitchen, diner. We have a utility to the side, just ending into the garage. And then for a real treat, south facing garden. And yes, it's only 11:30 in the morning. So imagine having some sunny days out there. If you're interested, for more information, want to see upstairs, give me a call on 01743 242 000. Bye for now.